What's up, Prelude community? Just a quick video on how to remove a door handle on a 97 to 2001 Honda Prelude. Now, if you guys have noticed that or anything's broken on it, whatever it may be, just you gotta take it off. Well, you're gonna need some tools. You're gonna need a wrench, a 10mm, and you're also gonna need a screwdriver. And maybe a flathead too to pop off the clips. Anyways, you're going to take off your door panel. It's really easy. Now if you look in here, there's two bolts. Two 10mm bolts that are going to be right here, and another one's going to be right on the inside. Now let's take a look. And it's going to be right... Oh, focus. Right here. Well, that's two 10mm bolts in there, okay? And on the inside, there's going to be a clip. And it's going to be right here where my finger is. Well, anyways, you're going to pop it off. And you're going to be really careful about that. And now, when you have these three things popped off, you're going to pull the handle out. Sorry for the quality, but I know it's a real pain in the butt to get off. And as soon as you pop it off, you're going to pull it out and pull it over. Please be careful because it is next to your paint. And as soon as you pop it out, you're going to have to rotate it. And there's threads on it. I scratched up a little bit, but I just wanted to give you guys a little, I guess, guide on it, on how to pull it out. It's a parts car, so I really don't care about the paint, but this is how you do it. If you want to be extra safe, you can mask it off and tape